orange. Bye. Don't get. We're cleaning my room together with my boyfriend. Starting? You start? Okay. This one or towel. Towel.
It's dirty.
That's one. We need to arrange this one. And the clothes. The 3 clothes. We have. And this one, we need to arrange this one for the water bag. And this one for the garbage. And then we need to arrange this one. The lotion, the powder, the roll-on, the toothbrush, the toothpaste. This one is a. And then we need to arrange for the shorts. For the shorts, we need to arrange this one. Show, come here. I show this one. This is the short one. I fold this one and also this one. You need to fold. Fold again. Fold again. This one. So, for the t-shirt, it's so big t-shirt, I guess. So we need to fold this one. I will show you guys this one to fold the big t-shirt for my boyfriend. So this one for the big size. So this one. There you are. And other one. Not so big. So folding again. We need to start for folding. This one. A small part, this one, for this one, and that's it. For the jeans, so we need to fold this one.
Oh, that's dirty. I say on the dirty.
So we need to fold. So we need to fold again like this for the jeans. This one, same for the shorts. There you are. And this is the important thing. This is the underwear. Oh, this is the clothes, and this is the for the shorts. T-shirts again. And the shorts. And this is the shirt. This one for the t-shirts again. For the shorts. For the shorts again. Time to arrange. Arrange the red cup, the plastic cup, and the plastics. So then we need to arrange these now for the breakfast and for other plate. This ladybug, and my charger. How many minutes? So that I need to wait to find this one. I need to arrange this for the bag, for umbrella, and what's next? We need to a bed sheet to arrange the bed sheet. So the bed sheet. I'm here to arrange the bed sheet. Can you stand up? Can you help me? Can you help me, guys? Can you help me, guys, to arrange the bed sheet? Bed time. So we need to arrange the bed sheet this way. First, guys. First the pillow, the blanket, and for bed sheet. So that this is my room together with my boyfriend. And bye. This one. Okay. Thanks, God. The white pillow, the gray pillow, and others are white again with the gray and for the blanket so that later on time to arrange again for that this one so that I need to throw the garbage. Okay. And for the bottle need time to here. And this one for in the table. And for the charger and phone. That's it. I'm finished for cleaning my room together with my boyfriend.